guys, today I'll show you how to format and reset FRP with just one click. First thing first, to know the model of any OPPO phone, software version, CPH. First thing first, click subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notification. Now go to Google and search for the model. This is OPPO A12. Now go to OPPO. Go to Home and click Wait until the program asking for the device. Now it's waiting for device. Connect the device. Now it's connected. It's all done, just one click. It's all done. This is a perfect tool. It's named Unlock Tool. All done. No passcode, and of course, no FRP protection. The phone will not ask for the Google account. It's all done. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to support us.